Yes.
Item number 68.
May it please your lordship. Well, there's all that we want, because we've not been supplied the grounds of detention.
Take out notice.
Yes.
Notice.
I can give.
She so is
So I'll give the names for Union of India and for the UT.
also accepts notice for Union of
Because we
India.
can't file the representation unless we get the detention order.
My instructions are it is supplied, but we'll place
So
it.
it's supplied, I tell your lordship, it is supplied.
Not required. But
But.
why do you want to expend your energy, Mr. Sibal?
No, I want
Conserve
the
it,
grounds immediately, but
Conserve it,
if you
conserve
give
it.
notice, but it will take time for the grounds to be
We'll
given.
give you short day. Who are all the respondents? Item 68, no?
But I think it's central government and the state.
Yes.
And the UT.
We will accept, Mr. Solicitor General, your standing council will accept for 1 and 2.
Malod, one
Union of India. And
Union of India.
Yeah.
Then Malod 2, 3. I'm seeing Malod from the case status.
Union Territory of Ladakh,
Deputy Commissioner and
Deputy Commissioner.
my learned friend would superintendent.
What about Superintendent of Central Jail, Jodhpur? I think this is the
Malod,
place where now he is located.
That's where he's located, Manoj, at the moment.
Who is the standing council for?
Malod, I will.
Take out notice on the standing council.
We'll do,
Mr. Srimangal Sharma can Malod be.
Whoever it is. Standing council.
we'll do that.
We will give the Malod.
Also accept notice for
If a copy can be.
respondents. List next Monday. Next Monday.
Manoj, in the meantime, what happens is 7 days, we can't file anything, Manoj, we have to file a representation. So Manoj, if they have given it to the detenue, they can as well supply to us immediately.
So what?
The grounds of detention, that's all, we don't want it.
Detenue is given the grounds of detention.
Yes, correct,
The lawyer and the brother of the detenue had a meeting with the detenue
correct,
in the jail, my lord.
correct.
Everyone they're meeting the detenue.
No, what, Manoj, my learned friend is not quite right. What happened was, Manoj, they allow us to talk to him on intercom. There is no meeting. They allow us to talk to him in intercom, so Manoj, we can't get anything, we can't.
I
We
don't
will
know.
not say anything at this stage.
But
Manoj,
this is all, my lord.
because the grounds have to be supplied, that's the judgment of this.
They'll supply it.
Supply the
Don't-
grounds of
what-
the
We
family.
have supplied as per law.
What-
We have
what
supplied.
does- where give that National Security Act?
Yes.
So it is to the detainee. That's
Within 5 days. Manoj, no, there are 2 judgments of this court, which I did, your lordship. The family members have to be supplied. There are judgments of this court. I'll show that, your lordship. I'll give your lordship. Supreme Court, SCC, the judgment of Justice Pardiwala, there's another judge. That's all we want, Manoj.
no, that is distinct. We have seen that. my lord. We'll be able to my lord, place everything on record. my lord.
Give that act.
Can we, the solicitor
That's 3 pages.
Yes.
can she go and meet her husband?
She has already put a request and it is being considered. She must have been informed also.
No, she's not.
There are
Unfortunately.
12 names given, my lord, and one by one, everyone is being permitted.
No,
Let us not create an
The
unnecessary
superintendent
hype.
told her that we'll immediately, when we go to Jodhpur, we'll inform you so that you can meet him. But that communication never came back.
And she is the one who's going to.
Yes.
Let's not create a hype, my lord, unnecessary.
No.
But nobody is prevented, my lord, as per law, everyone can meet.
Yes.
What do you want to contest?
I just want the grounds of detention to be given to us,
To who?
to the family, to the wife.
Where do you get it? Please read the section.
No, the law says that, Manoj.
Please read the section. Then we
I
go.
put the section.
Let us go one by one.
What?
Let us go one by one. Who
Correct.
is, she is the,
Wife. Section 3, Manoj.
read section 8.
Yes, when a person is detained in pursuance of the detention order, the authority making that order shall as soon as may be, but ordinarily not later than 5 days, and in exceptional circumstances for reasons to be recorded in writing, not later than 10 days from the date of detention, communicate to him the grounds.
Communicate to him.
And shall afford him the earliest opportunity of making a representation against the order to the appropriate government. Now, Malas, how do we make that
It
representation?
is served, there is a.
But just allow me, sir.
And
Yes, Malas, how do I make a representation?
Yes,
How do I, Malas,
yes.
so allow me the grounds of detention, that's all.
We will not pass any orders at this stage. Let you take out notice.
But there are two judgments of this court
Well,
at this point.
Not at this stage. Not at this stage. Next.
Item 1.
Please.
Huh? Malas, all right, accept that. Let him provide the grounds of detention served on him to the wife. At least he can do that, Malas.
We will not say anything.
But
We will
that's
not,
not
at this
fair.
stage, we will not. Solicitor, why you want to withhold that if the detention order has already been given to the detainee?
Judgment I'll take, my lord, it is served upon the detainee.
To allow him to give it to us.
One second.
Lord, I don't wish them to create a new ground for, my lord, challenging the detention that it was not served on others. The law requires service on the detainee, it is made.
No, what is the impediment for you to serve it on the wife of the detainee?
There is nothing preventing us.
Ah.
I will examine, my lord, and if it is necessary, if it can be without compromising, my lord, on the validity of the order, there is nothing, my lord, confidential. If it can be served on the detainee, why not on the wife? So this is creating a new ground for challenging
No,
the.
I'm not creating any ground, Malas. Your lordship may take
So
it from me. I will challenge
place
it.
it on record.
Yes, I want to challenge it, that's
The
all.
learned Solicitor General would submit that they would examine the feasibility of serving the copy of the order of
Your
detention.
lordship may not record that. Your lordship will only record that it is served. I have seen it, my lord. The endorsement and acknowledgement of the
We
detainee.
don't deny it.
To the wife of the detainee. Though, to the wife of the detainee, the copy of which has already been served on the detainee.
As per section 8.
Correct. We accept that, Malas. We accept that. So either let him give the grounds to
We
us.
have only recorded his submission, so we will see no impediment. He may give or he may not give, we don't know.
But
It's up to you. We will not take.
how do we, how does he give if we have only
Not-
entitled to
not at this
communicate
stage.
with him in the conference? How does he give?
Not at this stage. Please tell us why you have not gone to the High Court? Why you have invoked Article 32? Why you have not invoked
Which High Court?
226?
Which High Court?
Huh?
Which High Court?
We don't know. You tell us.
What do we
You
do?
don't know. We are not here to advise
We
you.
have all Jammu and Kashmir.
Detention order has been passed by the central government, Malas.
We don't know. You know.
You know the central government
No,
is.
it's passed by the district
So
magistrate.
we will not say anything. That is why we are entertaining this petition. Now you just wait till next Monday, because Monday I think there may be some combination change. So we'll have it on Tuesday. Next Tuesday, be ready on that day, Mr. Solicitor General. Please don't ask for time.
Yes, yes, I'll file my
The
reply.
problem will be if we don't have the ground, what do we challenge?
We don't know. That's up to you. Whatever you have challenged now, we'll examine that.
But Malas, if I don't have the grounds, what will I challenge? I have to have the grounds to
You
challenge.
have the grounds, let's not create a hype for somewhere else. Let's not create a.
Why my judgment is saying for somewhere else? I have not uttered any.
We have recorded his submission, though he was reluctant to say so. We have recorded his submission that he may give it. We don't know.
But Malas, the point is, I have to then challenge that detention order.
That's up to you. That's up to
But
you.
unless I get the grounds, why do I challenge it?
We will not. At this stage, we will not.
But we can't challenge it, then what are your lordship going to decide on Tuesday?
Then
Well, that's-
whatever we are deciding today,
What is your lordship is issued notice? Malas.
that's all.
So then Malas, what we,
We'll examine. We'll wait for your turn. Please wait.
Malas, this is the law of this.
We have done. We have done something. We have progressed something. Let us wait.
Malas, this is
Tuesday.
Somewhat slow.
Why don't you, Mr. Solicitor General, don't be on so technical.
I am not technical at all. I am only skeptical of the fact that this may create a new ground which is not permissible under the law.
Malas, your
Because
lordship
not
may record
done.
my statement that this can, my own statement, that there will be, this don't be a ground for challenge. What's the problem, Malas? Record my statement.
Ground for challenge of what?
He says that because I
Yes,
haven't
yes.
supplied it to the wife, therefore it will be a ground of challenge. I am myself saying it can't.
Let's not that therefore your lordship will say, no, it will be examined, no, and there
Examined.
cannot be in principle any
I
objection.
can't challenge the order. Please
If you can
appreciate
meet
what
the
I'm-
He
detainee,
is making that submission, you can examine.
definitely, there is nothing.
Add that one sentence. Mr. Kapil Sibal, learned senior counsel, appearing for the petitioner, would also hasten to add that non-supply of the detention order would not be a ground
To the wife.
challenge.
To the wife.
To the wife. Otherwise,
Non-supply
it will
of
be supplied.
detention order to the wife of the detainee
Yes.
would not be a ground of challenge in this petition.
That's correct.
The
As long as he
submission is
supplies
based
it
on record.
immediately. But if he supplies it immediately, if he doesn't, Manoj, it will be. Lordship may say that. If he doesn't, it will be. But if he supplies it immediately, no.
You want that, then we will not
Yes.
add this also.
Malord, then
Will not
then
include
this
this,
is,
sorry.
All right.
Malord,
Very
this
good.
is why
Don't add
I
that.
was
Then
thinking a
don't add.
little ahead of my.
You want this?
No, then unless you say that it must be supplied immediately, then I don't want it then. Otherwise,
Remove it.
yes.
Remove it.
Then I'll
All.
challenge it.
Next Tuesday.
Very well.
Very well.
But there's a small thing, Lord.
Who are you?
I'm the one.
Sorry.
If he's on medical.
No, when senior counsel is on his leg,
All right,
you
20,
cannot.
page 27, Manoj,
You
three
will
prayers.
not.
One second.
Medicines have to be given.
Sorry?
Medicines. But the wife has to.
Manoj, there are three prayers, just kindly see.
Yeah.
One, immediate access. Prayer, by page 27, prayer B, Manoj.
What is that?
Prayer B. B, C, D, and G, Manoj. One second. B is direct, allow immediate access to the petitioner, to her husband, both telephonic and in person. Direct respondents to ensure that he is provided with medicines, clothes, food, and other basic necessities. Because he couldn't take anything, because he was detained straight away. He couldn't take anything with him.
He was fasting before.
And he was fasting before that. And then, Manoj, that's all we want. C is what we
It
want.
is observed that
Malord, I'll only point out, my instructions are, when, before Malord detention after the detention is executed, is produced before the medical officer. And he made a statement that I am not on any medication, but now I am saying, if there is any medication required, give it to him, it will be provided.
What we are saying.
Any
That's all.
issue, Malord, these are on
it is
hypes which are created.
observed that the detaining authority should ensure that the detainee receives the medical attention suitable to his condition
In-person meeting.
If any,
as may be required,
yes.
In-person meeting.
and same shall be facilitated as per the extant prison rules.
And Manoj, the personal meeting of the wife to the husband, Manoj, that also.
That is already under.
That is.
Manoj, that is in, I don't understand why.
Why, let her come and meet.
Nobody
Now-
kindly see, Manoj, why these prayers.
Whether she has made a prayer before
Only
the
on
prison,
it is.
whether she has made a prayer before the
Yes, in
superintendent of
fact,
jail.
in this petition, I have mentioned that the director.
When did she go?
Allow me a minute, Malord.
I just showed.
This is to portray, Malord, in the area in question that he is deprived of medication, deprived of meeting his wife, near ones, etc.
Not at all.
And, Malord,
Not-
create an emotive atmosphere.
Manoj,
Malord, nobody has, Malord,
Kindly
invented
turn to
anything.
page 32. Kindly turn to page 32 of the
32.
32. This is Manoj.
This is some,
The SHO himself says here to the wife, this is to inform you that Sonam Wangchuk has been detained under the NSA and further has been shifted to Central Jail. Our officer will contact you as soon on arrival at Central Jail. The concerned officer will contact you with Sonam Wangchuk. So he has not contacted. 10 days ago he said this. He has not contacted. She can't meet. She has made a request and allow her to meet.
have you asked for meeting?
Yes,
As per,
Yes.
when?
we have asked for meeting.
When did you go to the,
Last Friday itself.
Last-
And then been calling this gentleman.
She's been calling this gentleman. Last Friday she asked. She's been calling this
she has gone there with asking
That's
for
all
to
right.
meet
I'm
in
making a
person.
prayer, mothers. I'm making a prayer.
Sorry, sir. No.
What's the problem?
You ask for the prison rules, you go
Yes,
there,
sir.
you ask.
This is
If
what-
they refuse, you come to us, we'll immediately see that it is done, sir.
Yes, but I will see that it is done. Malord, this is to create a climate or atmosphere that
Come
you
on, let's not go into things that are
pressurized,
not
that he is
legal.
not given
That's-
medication.
I mean, if you
No,
start
that-
considering that a
Mr. Sibal.
Gambian is a threat to the
Mr.
security of
Sibal.
India, that is what is the
You,
problem.
See, this is not.
why are you
Because
addressing?
you are making statements, why I'm
Simple,
forced to make a
why are
statement.
you addressing him? You
But
addressing
he is not addressing to the lot.
He's addressing the public outside.
Somewhere else.
He is addressing the public outside. not
Don't
I.
make emotive arguments. Neither of you.
But he shouldn't say this is meant
You-
somewhere else. Why should he
You
say
are
that?
a seasoned advocate. You
Because I'm
you
certainly.
know you are above all this.
That's why I am above all this. But mothers, my learned friend has
You
get some more kind of pleasure to provoke me, mother. So therefore,
don't get so.
I sometimes fall into that trap, mother.
No, I know.
No, my brother is saying you are getting provoked.
No. It's all right. This is in a lighter way.
Okay.
It's
All
all
right.
right.
Tuesday.
In case a prayer is made, she should read at
She
least
will,
10.
you will get it, sir. If you don't get it, come here. We make a mention. We take it.
All right, okay, fine.
Yes, yes, I have understood, my lord. I know, my lord, what's going on, my lord. Nobody is preventing.
We also know what's going on.
Yes.
We don't know what's going on.
We also know what's going on, brother. You also know what's going on.
No, absolutely not.
You do.
Grateful, sir. Obliged.
Item 1.
Well, as I appear on behalf of the petitioner in this matter.
Item 1,